Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. It's me, Debbie. Hope you're having a good day. It is morning and I'm making a Jamaican style breakfast for my kids. It's only two of them home today, so here in this bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now what I'm making is Jamaican style fritters. We usually make this with saltfish or codfish, as some of you might know it, in the flour, but I don't have any saltfish. So on the side, I'm going to be using this jack mackerel in tomato sauce. So instead of putting saltfish in the flour, I'm going to add some diced vegetables. So here I have half of a small onion diced. I have a half of a small tomato diced, and I have 1 stalk of green onion scallion diced up. I'm going to add this to the flour. Okay. And mix this up a little bit before I add any other ingredient. And then I'm going to add a little salt. Some black pepper. My Jade was supposed to come down and make this with me, but she's not feeling so well, so she's still laying in bed. So being nice, it's Saturday, and I'm just gonna make this for her. Okay, I'm adding water now, and I'm gonna mix this. Next video I will make some fried dumpling with ackee and saltfish, because they have been nagging me for that for some time. I made some recently for my best friend Alarise, but I wasn't able to record it. I need more water. See, you need the dough to be liquidy. Not too thick and not too thin, but you need a liquid dough. And there's no wrong or right way to do it. You can make it a little on the thicker side if you like, which is really what I recommend, or you can make it a little on the thinner side if you like. Okay, this is perfect. See guys, this is the consistency of the dough I made. Okay. So I'm gonna. Okay guys, I just turned the camera around. In this pan over here, I'm heating this pan over here on medium high heat. And I'm gonna add some oil to the pan, because we're gonna fry these fritters. Okay, guys, let's get ready to add this fritters to the pot. Okay, it's perfect. Yes. As far as putting them in the pot to fry and all like this, guys, there is no perfect measurement or no, perfect way. You just drop them in there. Just drop them in there, get them frying, and go through the head. Okay, guys, I'm about to flip these fritters on the other side. Ooh, yeah, you want to be careful. See, just a nice golden brown color. Sometimes when my kids ask me like for fried dumplings, honestly, if I'm not in the mood, this is what I want to make, because the truth is this is much easier than fried dumpling. Because with fried dumpling, if you're not careful, you don't know what you're doing, on the inside of the flour is still raw. With fritters, you don't have to worry about that so much. So when I have my lazy days and they want fried dumpling, I try to give them fritters, but they don't want that. But today I'm not doing it because of a lazy day. Just I am out of baking powder. I did not realize it. So I have to get some, and then we can do a video for some fried dumpling, because they get ready to go back to school soon, and they want all that stuff before they go back to school, because they know once they're back in school, it's gonna be time for meal prepping and simpler dishes. At least most of the times anyway. Okay, I'm going to take them out now. Okay, guys, so all the fritters are done. So now I'm gonna take care of the mackerel. They have a country bumpkin or a ghetto slang name for it, which I learned from my sisters. It's called tin bum. So this is what it looked like. It's been open. It's just fish and tomato sauce. So to the pot, I'm gonna add the half of the green onion. I have white onion. I have one green onion, a scallion slice. I'm gonna add here. I have 2 small tomatoes diced. I have some bell pepper sliced, green and yellow. Use whatever you have. And I have a little bit of thyme, fresh thyme here. I'm going to saute this for a minute or so. Or two. And then I'm going to add black pepper and my dry Scotch bonnet pepper. I know quite of my subscribers are from Facebook and you're not Jamaican, and if you're wondering how you can purchase this, just reach out to me, leave me a message, and I'll let you know. Of course, if you have fresh Scotch bonnet pepper, you would saute it with this or any other pepper you want to use for that matter, you know. Any hot pepper you want to use, you would saute it with the vegetables also. So I'm going to add the can of fish in here, including the tomato sauce. See, 3 big chunks in there. So I'm going to break them apart a little bit. You cooling it in there just a little bit. You can break them as much as you want, or as little as you want. Okay, I'm going to add my black pepper. And my Scotch bonnet pepper. Gosh, I don't know why it is so hard for me to find fresh Scotch bonnet. I thought I found a place where I could get it from all the time. But no such luck. As soon as I go there, they're gone. So I end up having, but at least she carries those dry ones, which I still like. But even those are selling out like hotcakes now because people can't get the fresh ones, so they're buying those dry ones. I'm like, what is going on here in Florida? This is ridiculous. We're so close to Jamaica. We're supposed to have a lot of Scotch bonnet here. And guys, so this is it. This is the jack mackerel in tomato sauce. And we get a plate. And normally if you have fried plantains too, it would go perfect with this. I didn't have any, but like I said, I just wanted it to surprise the girls. So I didn't have any, but I still made this. I think they'll still be happy. They better be appreciative. And so guys, here it is, and this is a Jamaican breakfast, fritters with jack mackerel and tomato sauce. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. You have a wonderful day. Bye.